Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function list. Hi Python developers. In this video, we're exploring the list function, a versatile tool for creating lists in Python. Whether you're working with sequences, iterators, or dynamic data, list is an essential function to master. Let's dive in and explore how it works. What is the list function? It's a built-in Python function that creates a new list or converts an iterable into a list. Here's the syntax. List and an optional iterable, where the iterable is any iterable object such as a string, tuple, set, or generator. If omitted, it creates an empty list. The function returns a list containing the elements of the provided iterable. Why use the list function? It's perfect for creating lists dynamically or converting data into a list format. Here are some key concepts. It creates an empty list if no argument is provided. It converts an iterable into a list, preserving the order of elements. It's especially useful for working with generators or transforming data structures. You'd use list when converting iterables like strings, tuples, or sets into lists, when you're creating an empty list for appending data dynamically, or perhaps when you're collecting elements from generators or map filter functions. It's a foundational function for data manipulation in Python. Let's start with a simple example, creating an empty list. Here, list initializes an empty list, which you can later populate with elements. The list function can split a string into individual characters. Each character in the string becomes an element in the resulting list. You can also use list to convert a tuple into a list. This is useful when you need to modify data that was originally stored in an immutable tuple. Lists can collect elements from generators, making it ideal for handling dynamic data streams. Here, list converts the generator into a list, capturing all its elements at once. The list function is great for converting the results of map or filter functions into a list. This allows you to process and store the results of functional programming constructs in list form. Here are some key points to remember about the list function. It works with any iterable, including strings, tuples, sets, and generators. It creates a shallow copy of an existing list if you pass one as the argument. Use it cautiously with large iterables, as it loads all elements into memory. And that's the list function. To recap, it creates a new list or converts iterables into lists. It's perfect for dynamic data handling and transforming data structures. It's one of the most versatile and frequently used functions in Python. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!